The following video is a feature and fit video for the Baby Behinds bamboo fitted nappy. So this here is the bamboo fitted nappy by Baby Behinds. It is a beautiful nappy, it is incredibly soft and it is incredibly versatile. You can use it in summer by itself without a cover because it's beautiful and breathable. So baby can just run around and be as natural as they can with a nappy on. And then you can just team it with a pull cover. It's going to be put under clothes, and then you can team it with a wool cover and use it as a night nappy. So you can really use it under any circumstance. And then you also can use it from newborn up until toilet train. So this is it's out into its larger setting here. And then if you wanted to make it smaller, you just open it up. And if you bring it inside, you can see these yellow snaps here, and that's how you get your different sizing for this nappy. And the beauty of having it just on the inside is you can literally take it down anywhere you need it to be on the nappy. So if you want to make it really small, you could take it down there and you can bring it all the way up. And then on the wings, you've got the crossover snaps. So you just take it to where you needed it, snap it in place, and then snap it again. Like so. And you can see how much smaller that is. All cute there. And you can see then that you can fit that on a really small bubby. And then you've got different features of the nappy. So you've got the sizing of the nappy, you've got the crossover wings that I just showed you. You've got a soft elastic here at the back, so it's gentle but firm, so it's going to contain any kind of explosions. And then you've got the same thing on the legs here. You've got your little elastics there. And they also make this gorgeous little frill, which looks adorable. And then if you open up the nappy, the whole nappy is absorbent, which is why you do need to add it with a pull cover if you want to wear it under clothes, but it doesn't need it, like I said, if they're just running around. It does come with two different inserts here. So you've got the long insert, and then you've got the little insert. And because the nappy is all absorbent, if it was on the newborn setting like we had before, you could just have the small one. And you've got these snaps here to snap it into place. Like so. So if you were snapping it down and it had a little layover, you just cross it over. It's that easy. And then again, you've got the long one. So you can change the absorbency to be at the front if you want it for a boy. Or you could just have it in half, or you can put all three together. So you've got so many different varieties you can do with this nappy, and it's so absorbent because it is all absorbent. It's just a great nappy to have in your stash of nappies. I'll take you now to do a fit with this nappy. Hey, Bubby. So this here, for Wattle, I have it down so that you can see the yellow snaps for the fitting, because she is 5.5 months old. She's nearly 6, aren't you, Bubby? Yeah. And then I've only got the long insert in it, not the short insert. Let me just bring up to where it needs to be. Let me bring the insert up around, hold it in place, bring up the rest of the nappy. Yeah. Isn't that right? And then fold it down like that. And then using the wing that has the extra straps to go in place, bring it over to where it needs to. So for Wattle, I do cross over a little bit. Bring this side over. Oh, yeah, Bubby. And then it goes down to that one. And then to that one. Hey, Bubby. Oh, yeah. Is that it? Is that how you do it? And then you can see here, you got the lovely frill elastic holding everything in place. And that's it, Bubby, isn't it?